All players, Legion 2-5, switch to 1-2-3-1-5 discreet. Sandy, I need you in north-south. I'm the south, confirm visual tally. Sandy, those are good effects. Prior to the pickup, the rescue mission commander, the JTAC, and the fighter aircraft worked to neutralize the remaining enemy forces and ensure safe passage for the rescue helicopter. The HH-60 Jolly Green 2 helicopter has advanced avionics and defensive systems to locate the survivors quickly and get to them safely. Today's demonstration helicopter is commanded by Major Rex Sexy Reed and co-pilot Alexander Voss. Their crew of special mission aviators consists of Staff Sergeant Hunter Rango Hughes and A1C Tyler Layden. Jolly Legion 2-5 PZs now secure, Claw 7-4 ready for exfil. As the Jolly Green 2 aircraft approaches from the south, you'll see them execute a racetrack weapons pattern. This allows for terminal area scans for both friendly and enemy forces. Utilizing their door-mounted 7.62 minigun and 50 caliber machine gun, the Jolly helicopter is ready to further sanitize the objective area prior to the pickup. As Jolly becomes vulnerable and as he touches down, you have fighters overhead with guns at the ready. After all isolated personnel are safe inside the helicopter, the team makes a call to Sandy and the rescue mission package as they egress the hostile area with fighters escorting from above. Deep behind enemy lines, force packaging and combined fires are paramount to the success of the mission. The game plan and deconfliction of the search and rescue mission primarily falls on the shoulders of Sandy 1.
Legion, this is Sandy 1. Jolly has the Claw egressing north.
Legion copies, popcorn +1. As our fighters join up on the north side of the airfield, Fighting together, our warriors have utilized only some of the tools to ensure no soldier, airman, seaman, or marine is left behind. First, the HH-60 to perform a dedication task to commemorate all soldiers, past, present, and fallen. These highly trained airmen devote themselves to being experts at rescue tactics and exemplify the code of an air rescueman. These things we do so others may live. Following in the rear, we have our F-16 Vipers providing crucial air coverage to provide fighters below with air superiority. In the next few minutes, you'll see the participating aircraft of the combat search and rescue demonstration return to base. First, you'll see our two F-16s depart to the west towards Kelly Field. Then ends on the runway here at Randolph Air Force Base. And Jolly for the final bow. We'd like to thank our participants from the 512th Rescue Squadron, the 23rd Fighter Group, and the 182nd Fighter Squadron, as well as local support from the 12th Operations Group here at Randolph Air Force Base. None of what you see here would be possible without the continued support and partnership of this community and its citizens. These are just some of the normal operations that occur every day across the Air Force, the world's premier force for air, space, and cyberspace lethality. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our 2026 Integrated Air Power Combat Search and Rescue Demonstration. We hope you have enjoyed our efforts to showcase a few of the wide-ranging combat capabilities of the United States Air Force and the combat air power of CSAR forces. If you have further questions about Air Force combat power, please stop by the static displays of our aircraft and meet your United States Air Force pilots. All players switch back. Air boss frequency primary.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, how about another huge round of applause for the Combat Search and Rescue demonstration? How cool was that? Wow. And there you see the A-10 Sandy 1 rolling out on the runway. We're so excited to have all of these players here with us. Even the F-16s remotely deployed over here from Kelly Field. And then all of these aircraft here now returning. Well, we're going to jump back in our next event. We're going to continue to turn the energy up, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to continue to let freedom roar as we honor our wonderful country here. 250 years of freedom, our celebration and our theme all day long. We're going to let the A-10 clear the runway here, and we have our next performer about ready to go. And we'll have them. We're going to jump back in history just a little bit for you with our next performer. This aircraft was stationed right here at Randolph Air Force Base back in the day. I believe this very airframe even has time at this base from what I'm told. But the type certainly does. And we will see this aircraft here in just a minute. We'll tell you a lot more about it as it makes its way here. Now we're waiting for Sandy to clear the runway. One of the things that we do at an air show, in fact, the only thing that we have to do at any air show, especially this one here, the Great Texas Air Show 2026, the only thing we have to do is be safe. And that's what you see being demonstrated in front of you right here today, ladies and gentlemen. We're waiting for the A-10 to get the right clearance to clear the runway before our next performer departs. Now, we need your help to do that. You're part of our team. You can pick up anything on the ground, whether it's your trash or not. We want you to pick it up and put it in a receptacle. But look to the runway, ladies and gentlemen, departing right here, Greg Collier.